All right. So what do you think about it, Lily? Did you have a good journey across the water? Was the ferry across the Mercy good to you? That's a good dog. Arrowhead Island, Lake Meredith. We're on the leeward side, headed upriver. What do you think about it, Sea Dog? It's old Lily, the Sea Dog. We saw a party barge that was rented by right on the water with full capacity. And we checked on channel 16 to make sure that we were passing on the one, which means green to green, starboard to starboard. Well, look at that. That's habitat for fish right there. Look at that fish habitat. No bugs to speak of either. Turkey bio over there. Okay, Lily, we better put it